What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have another pair of heated socks, but this time is not from Amazon. Nowhere near, okay? This time is from down the street. It's our friendly store, Costco, okay? Neighborhood friendly. All right, so I did get these socks right here. If you are at Costco, more than likely these socks are available. Hopefully, probably. Last time I checked, they just started putting the gloves out there. I might think about getting the gloves. I do have some more gloves on the way. Also with the heated gloves we did review already. As y'all know in this channel, I'm all about staying warm, you guys. So other than that, these socks are about $70 or somewhere in that area, okay? Remember, Costco do have instant savings as well as Sam's Club and stuff like that. So you might go in there and catch it on a sale, might knock it off $20, and you might get lucky. Here we have these socks right here. There you go. I don't think I'm gonna do too much editing on this. Well, I might edit anyway, you guys. I don't know. So here goes the back. All right, and a cool thing about these socks, they are wool. So right there it says wool. Now these are not like the socks that I got from Amazon because I don't really feel the coils like that. It do have some nice stitching on it though. Very nice stitching right there, right here on the corners. Looks pretty cool. I know some people are not really into that, but I look at designs and everything. I like the fact that this has a zipper. The other ones had a button, and another one that I have don't have anything. It's just you just put it in the pouch. It's cool to have a zipper on there. Feels more secure when you put it in. And there you go. And also the reason why I didn't do an unboxing is because I already did the unboxing. My SD card messed up. I need a new SD card. It is what it is. Just to inform y'all from learning from my mistakes, don't go with cheap SD cards, all right? Unless somebody give them to you for free, then you know, you have to do what you have to do. All right, so here you have the two battery packs. I love these battery packs, you guys. And the reason is it has the name brand on it, all right? So I guess it's NM Mobile or MN Mobile, whatever they call themselves, that's what it is. So this brand right here is on these power banks. I cannot mix these power banks up with another pair of socks. Salute to the brand for branding. All right, you guys, I'm gonna try these socks on. I believe it has an app, so I'm going to download the app and then we will get into the specs and have some fun with it. And I'll let y'all know how long they last and if they're good or not. Catch y'all in a little bit. All right, you guys, so we are going to go over the app of these socks. These socks do feel comfortable. You'll feel something right here on your foot, like the top part. It feels like a band or something, but I believe that's part of the coils. So I don't know if that will feel uncomfortable for you, but it don't bother me too much. It just feel like it's something there. I know it got to be like the coils or something dealing with it, but you can feel it right here on your foot. But once you have the shoes on, you don't feel it. And I do love that they have a zipper right here. That is definitely a plus. We went over all that, but you can close it up and it's very nice and secure. The main thing that I really love about this, or well, these socks, not this sock, like I'm talking about one sock. One of the main things I love is that the sock actually have the logo on the battery pack. Y'all know I've been buying socks like crazy. This is like the 4th or 5th pair of socks. And with the other socks that's from Amazon, I can't really tell what battery pack goes to what. So I just put some blue painter's tape on the battery pack and like indicate what sock do that battery pack go to, especially for the app socks. All right. Now, with that being said, you do have a left and right. They let you know right here on the corner, on your corner toe right there. That's the right sock. On your corner toe right here, this is the left sock. My other socks from Amazon don't tell you that, all right? I will have to double check that. I didn't really see nothing about left or right with the other socks. So the other socks upstairs, I believe, don't tell you that, but I will double check that before I drop this video. I think that's about it as far as the hardware. Now let's get into the software. So right now it is searching, and I am going to power it on. You do need your Bluetooth on, you guys. So I just powered my right sock and it's connected. As you can see, I will power my left sock right now. And my left sock is connected. Now with your socks, you can actually name your socks, and wow, I feel the warmth already, you guys. I really feel it. It comes on immediately, all right? Which is nice. Now we have green, you have blue, which is, you know, is cool green, and then yellow, and then you have your red, all right? So you have your 4 different temperatures right there. This is not like the other app. I actually do like the other app better when it comes to like your temperature, because you can actually see the degrees and stuff. You can't really see the degrees, but you know that your temperature level is where it is on here. You will have to go to your user manual to figure all that out. So I'm tapping the battery right now, and nothing happens when you tap the battery. I'm tapping the temperature. Nothing happens when you tap the temperature. If you want to change your sock name right here with the gears, you could change your name of your sock. Okay, you could select the image if you want to take another image of your sock. You can forget it, which we're not going to do, or you could power it off. All right, let's click these 3 slashes right there. Those 3 slashes right there, it says register product, how to pair a garment, all of my garments, support, battery info, philshear.com store. That must be the store that you can, you know, maybe you could buy from. I never tapped that. And about. And that's it. You guys, that is it to this app. All right. You could actually do a little bit more with the other apps as far as like seeing more on there. If I tap the sock, I can't tap the sock. Okay. So nothing else happens. So that is it, you guys. The app is basic. And I'm gonna be honest, I have it on very hot right now, and it still feel comfortable, but I do feel the heat coming in. All right. Yep, I definitely feel the heat. More so where I said this padded. Oh, I could feel it on my hands too. Ooh, feel good. All right. All right, so I'm gonna wrap this up, you guys. For what I seen, or for how I really feel, I don't believe that these are worth the 80 bucks that I paid for it. Let me give you a little secret. Costco has a instant savings right now on these socks for 50 bucks. That's a deal because I purchased them for 80, and I believe I bought them in mid-November. Right now we are closing into the end of December. So right now, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, 50 bucks, not bad for a app-based heated socks. This brand do have another heated product in Costco, which is their heated gloves. So anyways, so that's it. We at the final with these heated socks. I just wanted to let y'all know that everything feels good. I feel the heat through the bottom, especially right here where the pad is. And that will be all. And now I do have this on the hottest it can be. And I'm gonna be honest, my other socks that I purchased from Amazon, they get actually a little bit hotter than this. There is one sock that if I have it on the highest level, like I will put the temperature down. That's how hot it gets. Like it gets really, really hot. But the temperature all the way up on these, I'm actually feeling comfortable. It's not like uncomfortable to where I'm like, oh, I got to turn these socks down. So Anyways, that will be it with this review. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.